In this short video, we describe the hook and roll maneuver, a treatment for resolution of shoulder dystocia, which we referenced in our paper, which was 98.1% effective in cases of shoulder dystocia. Of particular note, this maneuver captures the benefit of both a posterior shoulder shrug as well as an anterior roll maneuver together. The first component is to identify the posterior axilla using the index finger of the same hand that's typically used to deliver the posterior shoulder. Once the posterior axilla is grasped with the index finger, traction is gently moved downwards. In this example, the right fetal shoulder is posterior and grasped with the right hand. Gentle traction is given along the pelvic inlet, causing the shoulder to be moved anteriorly, creating additional room and reducing the biochromial diameter, as well as providing traction into the more copious maternal sacrum. This causes the fetal shoulder to elevate towards the vaginal opening and provides additional traction, causing the baby to further descend in the pelvis by applying gentle pressure to the posterior aspect of the anterior shoulder. The next part is the roll maneuver. The roll maneuver is composed of placing a hand along the anterior shoulder of the baby and rolling it gently towards the fetal face. This is very reminiscent of the Rubens maneuver, also further reducing the biochromial dimensions of the fetus and potentially rolling the anterior shoulder underneath the pubis symphysis from which it is impacted. This particular portion of the video illustrates the fact that the index finger is hooked posteriorly and gentle traction is applied, while at the same time forces are applied across the anterior shoulder, moving it forward, gently bringing the fetus down further into the pelvic inlet while reducing the anterior shoulder from below the pubis symphysis, potentially allowing for delivery. Following these two maneuvers in gentle rotation of approximately 30 degrees, one then proceeds with delivery of the fetus once the anterior shoulder is released.